Hi, welcome and welcome back. Today's video is going to be on 5 websites that you can find remote work on. Now we're going to hit 5 different areas. We're going to hit remote work, freelance, VA, teaching English. So we're going to hit 5 different websites. So let's jump straight in. Number 1 is going to be RemoteJobs. I've talked about them in another video of mine. I really loved them when I first started my remote work from anywhere journey before I moved from the United States abroad. I use RemoteJobs. I found lots of work on here. It's very reputable. I know some sites are a little weary and leery, but RemoteJobs is one of the better ones. They do cost. It's free to create an account. However, you can't click on anything or view jobs unless you pay. The number 2 remote work website that I used quite a lot was remote.co. I use this quite a lot. It's very similar to RemoteJobs. However, this one is free. Now, all of the jobs aren't free, but you can see majority of everything for free on remote.co. I really like this one as well. I was always looking for admin, data entry, that type of work, filling in while I was growing my VA agency. And this one was pretty solid. I liked all of the work that I applied for, and they responded really quickly. So as long as you have a solid resume and you're looking and you know what you're looking for, remote.co would be a good site for you to check out as well. Number 3 is going to be Upwork. This is more for the freelancing side. Now, I used Upwork when I was first getting into the VA world. This is where I got some of my first clients. My VA agency is even listed on Upwork now, so that just goes to show you how much I actually like Upwork. So Upwork is for freelancers, a little bit of everything, development and IT, design, AI services, sales, marketing, admin and support, finances, HR. There's so many things that you can come on here and do. So if you're a beginner freelancer and you're looking to get your own clients and do your own thing like I did, then Upwork would be a good place to start. I don't think it's beginner friendly, but once you're on here and you know how to pitch and you know how to email and learn all of the jargon, I think you'll do really well on Upwork. So now, if you're into teaching English online, which I've done teaching English online for many, many, many years, I started teaching English as a language to foreigners back in 2003. So it's quite a long time. Despite me not actively teaching English online anymore, it's not my means of income anymore. It hasn't been for quite a long time. However, I still mentor individuals because I'm so experienced. So the platform that I loved was italki. I still have an italki profile, even though I haven't been on here. I'm pretty sure once you make your account, you're there forever because I could log in right now and my account would still be there. italki was my favorite platform to use when I was teaching English online. I absolutely loved it. The only thing with italki is you have to catch them when your language is open. When italki has enough tutors in one language, they will close off the list so others can't apply. I think my number 1 reason why I liked italki is because it didn't seem too oversaturated, and I absolutely loved it. It was quality students on there. They have an actual orientation, an actual onboarding. You can't start teaching until you complete that orientation. I just really liked italki all the way around. So this was my platform that I used, and I would say to check this one out if that's what you're looking for. The number 5 website is going to be in the VA industry, and I'm going to say Fancy Hands because Fancy Hands is relatively easy to get hired on with. And it does say right here that they are currently hiring. So that's a good sign. So if this is something that you're interested in, I would say apply with Fancy Hands. Tasks can range from $3 to $7, and then they go up from there. They do pay every week, every Tuesday. So that's something to keep in mind. And another perk is that you can create your own hours with Fancy Hands. So this is a really good platform. If you're a newbie and you're trying to get into the VA world, I would recommend Fancy Hands or Time ETC. So as usual, I will leave all of the links to these websites in the description down below and any other goodies that I have down there. And that is going to be it for this video. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would love to have you. Don't forget to like this video for me if you like this type of content, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.